Hello and welcome back to Eagle-Hive, and in this video we'll be focusing on how to install the Microsoft SQL Server and the TC port configuration. So it's important to say as well, after the installation it's important to restart the system at every single stage. So let's start. So I'll just open the SQL Server. I'll go to Setup. I'll run as administrator. You can just minimize this. So I'll go to installation, install a new SQL Server. So this one will launch. I'll just go to next. So the one that I'm using is Server 2019, but yourself, you can use the most latest, depends with the tested configurations that you have. So go next, next, I accept. After reading the terms, next. I'll just select the database, the bare minimum, then I'll go next. So after this, I'll just name this as Primavera DPM. So like this, and that will be the name. Then I'll go next. Primavera Database, PMDB. Then after that, I'll just take this to automatic. I'll leave this collation to be the same. I'll click on that and I'll go next. Over here, I'll add the current user as the administrator. And I'll make sure that I'm using with the mixed mode where I have SQL Server and the password will be 4004. The same goes for the confirmation, like so. Then I'll go to the file stream. So I'll enable this. So like that, and these others will just remain the same. I'll go next. So this is just a summary, install. And then just take a few minutes or a few seconds to be installed. So after the installation is successful and it has succeeded, just hit on close. And then just close here. After that, click on the start bar, go to all apps, then just go to 2019 configuration. After which you're going to see our server here. Click here, go to this server, make sure that this one is enabled, yes, and it will say that it will take effect after we have restarted, so it's okay. Go to here and make sure that the IP are active and it's 1433. So just copy this, Control C, and paste it for all of them, just to be safe. So like so. So you'll notice when you're scrolling down, it becomes a bit of an error by something very small. Just click on yes and move on. And paste there. This one, yes. And paste. And the same as this one, 9. And paste. So the same goes for this one. So apply. It will take effect after you have restarted. Okay. So go to server, click on this and restart the server. So it will stop the service, then start the service again. So after doing that, the next thing we'll do, we'll just now restart the computer and then head to the Java JDK installation and environment variables. Thank you.